Okay, remember that video we did the other day talking about replanting? Well, we're still having a wasp convention, but that's okay. But you'll notice a considerable percentage of our beans are up. And while the carrots are not up, they usually do take a little longer. There may actually be one or two up here, it's just they're so teeny tiny. It's hard to tell at this point whether they're weeds or whether they're something else. But I'm good with that. Very pleased. This is the first bean bed that I planted. And I actually have it written down in my notes, and I'll put it on here, how long it took for this to come up. It wasn't very long. And there's still some popping up daily now, but we're well on our way. This was the end of the straw bale bed that I was talking about. A lot of the beans in here are also up. Some of the radishes are up. In fact, a couple of them have been eaten, unfortunately. So I'll have to replant those. But those white sticks are there because the cat wanted to sit on there and I didn't want her to sit on there. So these are coming up great. This is our other bean bed. And these beans that are bigger, like this one, are left over from the original planting. But these little guys, in between the dill, are the new beans that came in. And they are coming up beautifully. All these beans in here, in that center area by the trellis, are the pole beans. And then the ones farther out are bush beans. So we're starting to see these come up too. It's just so warm that if they have the right amount of moisture, they're loving it. So now my job is to keep them from getting eaten at night, so I put out my rat traps every night. Okay, remember those seeds I said I was going to plant the other day? Well, I planted them. We have Bright Lights Swiss chard, Tiara cabbage, Copenhagen cabbage, My King Choy, Bok Choy, Jade cucumber. These are lettuce. Each of these is lettuce. These are Salanovas, and that's a romaine. And this is the only one that's not up yet, and that is a leaf lettuce. Very happy with that. Obviously doing well. I rotate them every day to make them go in a different direction, and these will be moving someplace brighter soon, real soon. And my little container here, my list may not look like much. There are rather a couple of leeks. There's one right there. And there's another one over here. And then there's several onions right here. So I am psyched. They are coming up. We're in business.